Enterprises rarely fail for want of a plan. They fail in the space between the plan and the working week. This is STARR, a management operating system that turns enterprise goals into measured, accountable results. Plans that never reach the floor. Measurement without consequence. Effort without alignment. The problem is rarely the strategy. It's the absence of a system that makes strategy executable. STARR delivers 3 connected layers as a single system. Stage 1, diagnose and plan. Stage 2, align and measure. Stage 3, enforce and sustain. It starts with a guided diagnostic study. STARR scores financial and operational health against industry benchmarks, then surfaces every gap on one dashboard. Every metric is measured against the target and against what similar businesses are already achieving, so leadership sees exactly where the distance is and why. From that baseline, leadership sets goals and strategies and tracks each one all the way through to execution. Stage 2 turns the plan into numbers. A guided annual operating plan covers sales, costs, manpower, and cash, function by function. Cost of goods sold rolls up automatically, so gross margin is never a guess, it's a number leadership can defend in the room. Manpower planning links headcount and cost directly to the operating plan, no separate spreadsheet running in parallel. Expenses are planned at the same level of detail as revenue, so every cost has an owner and a number, not just a total. Debt schedules and cash commitments sit inside the same plan, so financing decisions are made with the full picture, not in isolation. Every input rolls up into a single set of financial statements the plan leadership actually signs off on. The plan cascades down the hierarchy, so every role owns clear KPIs, traceable straight back to the enterprise goal. The goal target divides down through senior management in a single bullseye view. Click any ring and drill straight from the enterprise number to the person who owns it. Each role is defined once, with the KPIs that matter to it attached from day one along with the responsibilities, delegations, and reports. KPIs are managed centrally, so definitions stay consistent as they cascade from the enterprise goal down to the individual. Leadership scorecards bring targets and actuals into one view, integrated with existing ERPs, with forms and workflows filling the gaps where no ERP exists. Any leader can look straight into any scorecard beneath them. Performance is visible, not just reported upward. STARR connects directly to your existing data sources. Business intelligence that sits on top of the systems you already run. Wherever an ERP doesn't reach, a form does, covering the last mile of data capture without new infrastructure. Stage 3 keeps pressure on the plan automatically. Checklists, workflows, and tickets surface non-negotiable actions before they slip. Workflows route the right task to the right person automatically, so nothing waits on someone remembering to assign it. Checklists are built once as templates, then applied consistently across every team that needs them. One dashboard shows exactly which non-negotiable actions are done, due, or slipping, for every team, every week. Every individual sees one list, their tasks, their tickets, their checklist items, no hunting across 5 systems. Feedback happens against the scorecard itself, specific, dated, and tied to what was actually committed. And periodic appraisals close the loop, judging performance against the numbers people actually committed to. Incentive policies connect directly to the same committed numbers, so pay and performance are never 2 separate conversations. One version of the truth. Plans that survive the working week. Unambiguous ownership at every level. That's STARR, one system, from diagnosis to accountability.